instructor. Let's avoid that from happening. So please keep your hands on place inside the boat at all times. Parents watch your children, children watch your parents. And please remain seated. Only a crazy person stands in a moving boat. Keep your eyes peeled for any sign of danger. It could be lurking anywhere, around any corner. Look right there! That's our first sign of danger, friends! You're lucky your skipper knows how to read all the signs of danger out here in the jungle. Right up ahead, we have the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. And just beyond that, the Forbidden Temples of A through H. We're now slowly approaching an ancient Cambodian shrine that was built by ancient Cambodian Shriners. Now don't be alarmed, I know what you're thinking. Is that a 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger? Yes, it is. Don't worry, they jump up to 40 feet or 10 feet away, and it'll jump right over us. In fact, in this part of the jungle, only thing you need to be careful of is... Careful with Ginger! You need to be careful with Ginger, because Ginger snaps. She's one tough cookie, I tell ya. Welcome to the secret Indian elephant bathing pool, where the Indian elephants like to bathe here secretly. Go ahead and take out your cameras. They were polite enough to wear their trunks. Wow, look how many are here. This is unheard of. Fun fact about elephants, they can actually grow up to 4 feet, while humans can only grow up to 2. Anyone here know how we distinguish Indian elephants from other elephants? Their ears and their trunks. Remember that? There's going to be a quiz later. As we continue on, we'll find some rare and exotic plants and animals. Oh, look, another elephant. Oh my goodness, he's right with the boat. No. Now I lost my train of thought. Oh, yes, I remember. So, goose. Sorry, that's a little put you in any real danger. That sounded dangerous. Let's go check it out. Oh my goodness, looks like the monkeys are calling the shots now. You know, when monkeys throw a party, that party's always going to be bananas. Oh no, look what they did to the car. They left the lights on. No, they'll never turn over the battery. Right up ahead, we have some 6-story bamboo stocks. Some are even 7 stories, but that's a whole other story, folks. I see you're wearing yellow back there. Whatever you do, don't make any banana sounds. He might find you appealing, and then we'll definitely have to split. Sorry, I have a bunch of those jokes. Right up ahead, this is Schweitzer Falls. It's named after our founder, Dr. Albert Falls. But don't worry, we'll go over that later. Because right now we're going down the Nile River, where it goes on for miles and miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, well, you know, you're in denial. Look, friends, African bull elephants. Anyone here know how we distinguish African bull elephants from other elephants? Their ears and their trunks. Now there's going to be a third quiz. This one's name is Bobo. I actually taught him a few tricks. Watch this. Speak, Bobo. Louder! Yeah, that's not even the best part. Watch this. Stay. We're now entering the African belt where some of our animals are so old they're still in black and white. Yeah, we have giraffes, we have gazelles, we have gnu, and we have gazebras. Speaking of gazebras, look at this nice sign full of lines protecting that sleeping zebra. That zebra's name is Frank, actually, and Frank works really, really hard. That's why he looks so dead tired. Alright guys, let's move on. We all